Hey guys, my name is Real Crypto, and on this channel we talk about the hottest crypto projects and launches. And today guys, I have another exciting crypto project. This time I'm going to talk about a brand new bullish project that is offering passive income just for browsing internet. But before that, I need to remind you I'm not a financial advisor. This video is not a financial advice. Always do research, and let's check out today's project.
Get money.
And the project we're gonna check out today, it's called Cirus Foundation, and their product is Cirus app. So as I mentioned in the beginning, this app lets you browse internet and earn passive income. And the best part is you can actually earn Cirus tokens or USD. And what makes this product different? It's really similar, I would say, to maybe Brave, but what makes it different is you can actually browse internet on any browser because it is an extension. And I think this is a really unique and bullish feature. And lots of people in my comments are always asking, how can I start doing stuff in crypto? I have no budget. I think this app and this product is for you because you can start with zero and of course earn passive income. And how do they do it? They actually are paying you for your data. So for example, if you're browsing Instagram, Facebook, yeah, it's all free, but they are taking your data and actually selling it to data brokers. And this project is different. It's actually bringing power back to the users, and actually you can earn money for your own data. I think this is a really good idea, unique idea, and that's why I think this project is bullish. And of course, in this video, I'm going to learn all the features, all the information. I'm going to actually show you how the app looks, how to download it, how to set it up, all that important things. So let's jump into their main page. So first of all, this project looks super clean. I would say look really Apple-like. They have clean designs, clean logos. Even all the visuals on the app look really clean, really professional. They actually put in the time, put in the money, which means the project is really serious long-term. And of course, in my book, this is really bullish. So first of all, let's learn what do they have on the page. So first thing, get paid for your data. We kind of talked about it. You already given away your data for big tech. Yeah, Facebook, Instagram, all of these big platforms. It's time to get paid for it. Your data is your ticket to the web free. After that, you can manage your assets on this app. So manage your earnings and crypto securely with a multi-chain wallet. So actually, this is another piece of their app, actually a wallet. And also you can interact, store, or transact with centralized and decentralized exchanges. Next up, you can increase your Cirus score. So this app is also gamified. It kind of incentivizes to use it more. I think it's a really smart idea. So unlock exclusive app with the Cirus ecosystem as your Cirus score increases. Take on earnings and access new applications powered by Web3. And actually this app, I would say, is still pretty fresh. Not that many people know about it. That's why I think if you're watching this video, we're still super early. I'm going to buy these tokens, get the app, start earning before everyone else. And of course, when more people join, more people actually buy these tokens, the value should go up. And of course, we should make big bank. Again, not a financial advice. Next up, big partners. And one of the biggest partners is actually KUCOIN. They invested in the project. And you can actually even buy these tokens on KUCOIN exchange, which is S-tier exchange, which is of course really bullish. Next up, effortless swap between your favorite cryptocurrencies. So it's multi-chain platform. You can see all of the most popular chains. And I think in 2024, you have to be multi-chain because there's so many popular chains and new chains are popping off every day. So in my opinion, you really have to go this way. And of course, this project thought about it also. And also we have some of the statistics why this project could be interesting for a wide range of people. So first of all, 62% of people can't enter Web3 due to a lack of funds and access. And this is actually, I think, a big one, and why this platform is different. Because first of all you need to have is laptop. It doesn't have to be like some really powerful laptop. Download any browser you like to use. Yeah, for example, Brave, Chrome, any browser. Download the extension, start browsing, and start earning money. I think this is so easy. And I think lots of people actually would benefit from it. And this would be their entryway to Web3, to crypto, to blockchain. So I think this is a really cool idea. Next up, 1.7 billion people remain unbanked. Again, a huge one. And this kind of benefit for overall crypto, I would say, space and blockchain. Also, $9 billion in user funds lost on FTX. Of course, we all know about it. This was a big story. 78% of people don't trust big tech. Again, really big one. And we all know that big tech is always screwing us. And this is good that this project is actually giving us power back and giving us power to actually make money from our own data. And now let's move to the fun part, the actual app. So you just click download Cirus and you just download this extension. I will use this extension on the Chrome browser and actually already downloaded. Then you open your app and it looks really simple like any other extension or app. So we click create account. Then you put in your first name. Let's go Rico Crypto. I have a really loud keyboard. Okay, email, I'll put my email. Now we need to create the password, so let's have a hard password. Continue. And here you can put in a referral code. I'll have my code on the screen and also in the description. So if you use it, of course, you're helping the channel. Agree with the terms and policy. Yes, I do. Now you should get a confirmation code to your email. Just copy the code and we are inside our Cirus app. But before that, I also want to mention that they have over 10,000 users already. So as I mentioned, this project is new, but when the utility is so good, when you can actually earn money from kind of doing nothing, you can see how popular this platform is getting. And of course, I think we're still early because it's kind of beginning of the bull run. And once the Bitcoin is going to be rising in price, of course, more and more people will join crypto and more people are going to be looking for projects like this to actually start earning crypto with nothing. And also they have a really high rating, which is really important. They have 4.9 and they have 420 reviews, which is a really impressive number. It means the platform really works and people are really happy. So once you open your app, you will have a quick tutorial explaining you where is everything and how to set it up. So the first thing in the middle, you have the orb. Just like your Cirus core, your Cirus orb evolves as you level up. Click on it to explore the Web3 labs. Cool. Also, we have a data earning card. So this is right here. This is where the magic happens. Welcome to Surf and Earn. You'll find your data earnings here. Cool. Again, they have this button. Cool. And this is your Cirus score. So they have really simple UI. As I mentioned, they have really clean design, simple UI. That's why I think this could be attractive for new users because they're not really overcomplicating. They're not doing hard transactions. It's so easy. You can see your USD in your balance. You can see your Cirus score. So let's click the orb. So this is actually where you get all the features. So surf and earn. And at the moment, of course, I'm at the level 1 because I just downloaded the app for demo. Next up, we can click on the side to get the staking. So they also have staking for this platform. So you can actually stake the tokens. And also the more tokens, Cirus tokens you hold, the bigger the rewards you get for your data. So again, really great feature. And of course, the earlier you join, the bigger rewards you can earn because you will accumulate more tokens. Next up, we have network mode. So basically you can share your code with friends, family, loved ones, and get even more rewards. Next up, data for good. We kind of talked about it. Node launch. So built by us, for us, launch a node and validate transactions, earn more, and feel true power and ownership. There's a limited amount of nodes and we do not guarantee access to one. And on this channel, we actually talk a lot about nodes. That's why maybe we're going to talk about this node in the future. Maybe I'll show you how to set up, how it all works. Next up, banking. So positive change is coming. We'll let you know when it's coming. So actually, as I mentioned, this project is planning to add way more features and way more utility. That's why I think this is really exciting for everyone who's watching this video now, because we can be super early before all of these updates. And of course, once these updates hits, once there's more people, of course, the token price will go up, and we already had the tokens accumulated because we started early. That's why I think it's a no-brainer, but again, not a financial advice, but yeah, it's passive income for nothing, so no-brainer. And if you click on your data earnings, you can actually see how much did you earn. You can see the price of the different tokens, Cirus, Bitcoin. You can actually receive tokens, send tokens, and swap tokens. So basically, this is all in one platform. That's why I really like it. Next up, I also want to talk about the token hub. So if you go to the main page, you can actually click token hub. So let's jump in there, and you can actually stake your token. So let's click staking pools and we get the APIs of 26%. Of course, at the moment, I don't have in my demo wallet any tokens, but if you want, you can actually stake the tokens and earn even more rewards. So as I mentioned, this project is offering really lots of ways to earn money. So the first one is, of course, buying the tokens and of course, waiting for more people to join and selling the tokens later. Next is, of course, browsing and getting paid for your data, which is a no-brainer. Number 3, actually staking your tokens. And in the future, they're actually adding even more features. You can see even the nodes and all the other stuff. So I think this is really exciting. Also, this project has a really bullish tokenomics. They have a full Medium post. I will leave this post in the description so you can actually check it out. But the key points are they actually plan to reduce the total supply, which is of course really good for the holders because the less tokens there is, of course, the bigger the value of your tokens. Next up, relocation of remaining supply to fit the new model, changing data reward structure to remit, buy, burn model, and transition to deflationary model. So all of these things are really bullish for the token holders and of course for people who are earning rewards, because these changes exchanges should actually bring the value of the tokens up. Again, really, really bullish. And for everyone who will ask in the comments, is the project safe? Yeah, the project looks really safe because they have an audit by Hacken. Also, the team is KYC'd and they're really active on YouTube. If you check out their channel, they're actually doing the videos all the time. You can see 3 days ago, 10 days ago, they're doing AMAs explaining about the project. So I definitely recommend you to actually subscribe to their channel. Again, link in the description. And lastly, I just wanted to mention some of the key bullish things that are coming in the future and why I think you should actually pick this project. Again, not a financial advice, but I think they have so many different bullish layers to this project. So the first thing, they're adding way more utility to the app. They're actually even planning to include payment on and off ramp. So I think this is really good, really good. Next up, they're planning to list on more exchanges. And this time, going to be listing on more S-tier exchanges like Bybit, OKX. I think this could really push the price and bring more users, more eyes to the project. And also, this project is all about burn. So they're going to be burning more tokens. So if you join early, of course, your tokens should be more valuable. So in my opinion, the project looks really, really good. They have really clean app. They have more than 10,000 users. The ratings are almost perfect. Also, you can earn passive income just by browsing data, basically doing nothing. They have a really cool Web3 app, so you can actually exchange token, hold token, stake tokens. In the future, even off-ramp, on-ramp, you can also get the rewards in USD. The project is audited, the team is KYC'd, so I think it's really bullish. Again, if you have any questions about the project, you can ask me in the comments or join my free Telegram groups in the description and top comment. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.
Get money.